Here's how to check if your phone supports fast charging or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is to make sure that you have a fast charging device or a fast charging cord to your phone. Afterwards, make sure that the adapter that you're going to use is also a fast charging adapter. So this is an example of a fast charging adapter. So this one is from the Apple, which has 20 watts, so it has a fast charging. Now, you will know that if your phone is actually supporting a fast charging when you see it as a lightning and it is on a green option or a green charging status. Now, if you see that it is on slow charger, it means that your phone is not supporting a fast charging cord or charger. So that is how you check if your phone supports fast charging to your device or fast charging charger.